What's up, AC gang? Today is Vlogmas day 3. Yes, people, I feel better than yesterday. My throat feel clearer, my eye didn't feel better. Yesterday this morning makeup, I sweat like after 4 this morning. I feel wet under my clothes because I should cover up last night, people, and the warmness. And I feel like the flu actually are going, I not lie. So today, we have some big plans today. And I'm going to take her with me. Abby, what you say? People Abby still in her sleep, so now watch her. But me, I feel good. I feel good like me not lie. Look how sleep I get last night. And the warm clothes, me not lie. Socks on my foot and everything. You make a big... Wherever the warm is there, that's where I will go. Thank God, I feel good. If you're new to the page, please subscribe. Make sure to join the AC gang. Share a video with them. Subscribe to Abbi's Madness. Subscribe to Capo's TV. And also subscribe to our comedy channel, Abbi and Capo Comedy TV. Yeah, guys. So right now, I just brush my teeth right now. I'm going to iron my clothes. I'll see you back in a few. Alright, guys. So I'm just done iron my clothes. Right now, I'm going to the kitchen. I'm going to look about some ginger / garlic tea. Okay, you know, you have to keep the throat and the chest better, you know, because I still want to recover. And Abbi sister enough so we need that. And then I'm going to bathe and thing. And get myself ready so you can see me after I finish ready. So stay tuned. Guys, you're running so late right now, but all your people ready? I'm looking good, I'll be looking amazing. So I go location right now. Not soon reach it because I don't have much time. I'm actually late, so soon. Alright guys, we just reach up on you way.
Guys, but also one of good girl really talk to me yet, but
Like
good girl
nice
nice talk to me soon, you know?
Oh soon, they might
But
wait
I
for
dust
you.
the cap later, so I'm not tell dirty boy for all pants, so look all the boy late.
Yeah, late people.
Bad. Careless.
But it's better be late than never, right?
Carelessness.
Yeah, so late. We reach still, I gotta go take care of business now still. But some people for there, I don't see nobody call my phone or nothing still, you know what them there? But I know me there, you know? That's the most important thing, me there.
Yeah, late.
Late. Yeah, so I'll soon back in a second. So guys, the mother just forward. We'll show the mother piece now. So guys, I better make up now.
Now I go nervous.
Okay.
I don't want to drop my clothes.
Please don't do that.
I mean, it take a head. Okay.
Late bug.
So guys, imagine we tell this lady 8 o'clock, this lady has show up after 10. Talk truth, people talk truth. Eh? Talk truth after 10, after 10.
Alright guys, so I just put on the gun and things, so now I just wait until my time to take the picture of them, you see it. So when I just stay tuned and watch what I go on. I kind of feel nervous, you know guys. And then even graduation day, I just picture taking day. But you know, already, because the graduation not going to really be like a usual graduation. So this feel like, you know, a little ceremonial thing for my same way. So yeah, you see there? Boy, I leave school now. Done big man now. I left the way and thing. Yeah man. Abbi here people. She going to be my photographer. Well, I'm going to take picture of them as well. But yeah, today's my day. You all know that. So everybody are coming now to come take them picture.
Oh, dirty capas.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Graduate of what?
When I was ready?
2020.
2020.
At least you pay for graduate because you know say 2020 I go on bed.
Yeah. Oh.
Right, true.
Yeah, guys.
Alright guys, so we're going to just take some picture now before the people in the morning. We have got 5 minutes. Alright. Yeah guys, I don't know the good girl, they back for the camera. So yeah.
So now we're Abbi.
Watch good girl. Right, that's so.
Wait there.
Right, that's so. Yeah guys.
Woo!
Yeah, kind of good girl up on camera now.
Me.
Not my eye, yeah. So for the good girl, I keep on camera from morning.
Alright people, so
For the good girl from 8 to 12.
how will them type say now?
Are you the pan camera from morning? Yeah guys, so right about now, I full of more banana chips.
Banana chips.
Yeah, banana chips. So I'm going to look at banana chips. quick and fast and then come off of the road because you know good girl afraid of coronavirus.
Yeah, guys, today was a good picture day for me. I'm going to take pictures so till picture can't take no more people.
Yeah.
Never that go stop take picture, you mad?
Yeah, I understand the people that enjoy them look safe for take the picture. I never enjoy themselves for them last, you know, them first.
The man get mad and say, no man, come on man.
You're there long time. You say. Yeah, she not wrong, but at least the people that enjoy themselves.
Yeah, and I record the stage never crowded neither.
Exactly, stage never crowded. So yeah guys, you know good girl belly have to go full. So
What am I going to
stay tuned. So yes, people who know a good girl, chicken, you know a good girl try to reach out for the road. People would tell. I was about a couple of hours, you know, So big up for yourself, we stay, but you know, we just try to go fast and so yeah.
Answer me, man.
You look handsome. Actually, you know, you look good sometimes, you look good.
Yeah. Yes, guys. So
people might look good sometimes when I talk to people, man. Talk to people, man.
Let us come back and think. Tired out. But we have work for the door. We have work for the people. Oh, but my girl, you put on somebody and come back, man. How you talking about?
Yeah, guys, I right about now. We're just going to share some food because good girl hungry. But I tell all that people, I'm dead for hungry. Keep on eat before I go wherever I want to go.
Yeah. Oh, I have a piece of bread left back on there now. Mad thing, man.
That I've done for doing me, but good girl I can eat because
people
bread and patty.
No, don't want that rhyme. No, don't want to the room. My room look awful. I never want me. The
room looks stale, bad
people. Don't look away, guys.
No. I mean,
the strips already, man.
Yeah, and every time the room are clean.
Yeah, so now we're going to find food to eat and then find something to do?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's what we're going to change our back. In 3,
well, 2... I'm feeling bottom, I'm ending up cap on my bottom now.
Yes, so she's passionate about her body? No, I get the spotlight.
Big now?
Yes, it look big now. Alright.
Okay.
If you're new people, make sure to subscribe.
Yes, please.
And also follow up on Instagram down below.
Like down here, so.
Yeah, guys, so we're going to change over and get some food eat now and then come back to now.
So stay tuned. What's up, guys? So people, I tell the couple some of one present fee. Can you know dirty couple take picture answer today? Yes, dirty boy finally left university answer. Some tell me some of one give fee, but people with dirty couple don't know say a flower I have outside. People the flower already in a tree hide, guys. So right now I'm gonna put on him clothes. Yeah, we're gonna make another intro answer. Yeah, we're gonna make another intro answer, so guys. We're gonna look after the dirty boy. So stay tuned now. I'm gonna flow up the dirty boy. I'm gonna flow up people, man. I want some dirty boy when you're careful. Guys, can you know we have to make the vlog them excited though? Oh no, we have to make the vlog them excited though. I wonder if we not hear me, I don't want to talk too loud. Good girl. Alright, stay tuned. So guys, right about now, I have to show you I'm present, you know. Can you know I'm telling you say, boy, take picture and so finally left university. Several long for come out here, because long time we don't come out here, what's several? Guys, so she can get dirty boy a surprise, right? Yeah guys, good girl, so she can get dirty boy a surprise, yeah? Let me go surprise the dirty boy. In deserve it. 1, 2, 3. Congratulations, couple. Yeah,
Yeah, kill me a while ago. You just floor me now. I trouble to get it yourself, you know. Trouble there, no people.
I know.
Danny, Shandy. Jump up. Now, yeah, run. Yeah, run. Yeah. Watch them all there. Look at them, the young. And I catch you a long time. Yeah, man. My graduation picture for you can ask you. You can come out there for give me. If I do one time with the young, yeah?
Okay.
I give one finger for hold on to. Ah! Shut me down.
Jack!
You have my finger?
Jack! Yeah! People man strong. People man nice. Congratulations, couple. People man. Yeah, the boy I got through with university. Yeah. He made it. You make it?
I know.
You make it.
I'm still trying to make it.
So you're not done with school now, sir?
For now.
He made it!
Oh yeah, we made it. Yeah, people. After all these years,
Yeah, after 18 years.
I'm out. I'm out.
You were on them. How you feel?
Feel proud, you know.
Keep away at my bottom.
At the bottom?
Stop on
I
bottom.
feel like I'm pushing me also.
Good body, good
Who
body.
knows it?
Good body. Right,
So,
so,
yeah,
right,
people.
so, video, so, again, right, so.
See there?
Yeah,
Yeah.
guys, so. We're gonna be the nasty, say.
I'm forbid now watching. No more sick enough people and look how she come to me.
Raji and Osh, careful Osh. Watch ya. Osh people, man, Osh. You know. I told me why a woman asks you where I come from. That's why I'm gonna flower up, so.
I'm gonna bed now, she have me smell so good.
Yeah.
Cause I can't come from work and smell too good.
Yeah.
So what you think I got me now?
I don't know my love, go and go do some push-up
You
after
play
the
manager, I'm call the manager phone.
Right, sure.
Yeah, the manager Chinese, the Chinese woman, so come talk now, ready talk like Chinese woman. No, English but Chinese accent. I'm calling, did Ricardo leave work at 5 o'clock?
Yes, Ricardo leave work.
No, ready again.
Ricardo not feeling well. Okay, yeah, okay. Stay tuned.
Soon. Abbi, I can't people, watch out. Look there. This is all she do, guys. All she do. No man, Abbi. You need to be now, can you follow me? No, they have to see you. Abbi, favorite place to be, other than the lottery, I for shit in the toilet. At the shit in the toilet. I'm gonna be now, so you need to up and cut the shit short and I'm gonna be. Bombard. No sir. People look here. Bombard. I can't shit up so. Jesus Christ. No sir, Abbi, a stinker policeman. Box side, how you name in the belly? Okay, pull it fast. Once my face wash my foot, then clean it, alright. Clean. I'm out. You see when the one boy you want to take a VLOGMAS plan, head and can't manage, that happened to her. They can vlog me, guys. I look for Abbi when she asleep. And I just vlog the tree. This no man, Abbi, get up man. Get up. The tree, the people, I look on her. She said I sleep like dog now. Watch her. Abbi, the bed there so. No bed the nasty up still.
Couldn't make it.
But they need to come for the ground.
Couldn't make it.
People, VLOGMAS day 3. Have Abbi away. People mention like in the car. Then we go, they see them thing here, deserve some like and some subscribing and some sharing. Look on the position Abbi now. No sir, yeah guys, make sure you like that video, subscribe, and we know to enjoy VLOGMAS day 3. You don't know what going on. I appreciate all that stuff. Abbi, what you do? Come on, come on, end the vlog. Tell people them say, you mash up. Tell them.
People, good God, tired as a. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share, I said it. I make sure to go over comedy channel, I kept a comedy TV. We won't go over to Abbi's body, so the good girl has I will go over to Campus TV. People, I'm not telling a lie. Them vlogs, some I don't know who pick up our head, but as I say, don't tell you so if you want to see who post tomorrow, that means I dirt. If I dirt, I dirt. A dirt, people are dirt. Yeah, man. So, guys, you know, go already. Until then, AC Gang is out. We are not sure about it.
Show them where?
Bye.